The 2023 Tesla Model 3 looks great, and especially because they upgraded these from the older silver to now all black grayish. It looks way better, more sporty, more sophisticated, but they're stock, they're OEM, and that means every Tesla has these. And you guys already know, I am not about having basic Teslas. So I've partnered up with Yeslak to give this one a little bit of a makeover. So check out the Tesla wheels before the stock ones versus after, where we've modified them. They look so good, and let me show you how we did it. Installation is as easy as grabbing one of these. Come over to the front, admire the difference, and then just pop these off. And you got your wheel underneath there. Now you'll want to align that valve stem slot with the valve stem cover. Once it's aligned, all you gotta do is, it's clipped in! And then you just repeat that for the other 4 wheels. Is it just me, or does the rim look bigger now? I'm vibing with it. Wait, are these different? No. Where's the valve cover on this one? Like, oh, I found it, bro, I'm dumb. Wow, this one's really in there. I'm shaking the whole car. Ugh. Yeah, we'll do this one. What? Oh my god. Ugh. The whole car is jiggling. Come on. Ugh. Oh, there we go, Tesla. Come on. Got the anti-theft wheel. Oh. Oh my god. Jeez, you were grabbing on for dear life, weren't you? And if you compare the back, actually, the mounting mechanism is exactly the same. So you know that these are solid. These definitely make it look like more of a performance model, even though it's just the long range model. So if you want to pick one of these up for your Tesla, I'll have a link in the description below, the like button. They make covers like these for the 3 and the Y, so if you have a 3, you won't feel left out, and you can still pick up something cool. Let me know what you think about these in the comments below, if you have these, if you're gonna get these, or if you have something kind of similar. I think my favorite part's the color. It's not like a black, it's not a gray, it's kind of a metal. I think it's a vibe.